Hello, you beautiful people. Just an introvert kid trying to be extrovert in front of the camera. I had not said this since forever. Oh my god, I'm feeling good about this. Okay, so let's come to the point. Ki this is again a one-to-one conversation wali video. I know you guys were, I guess, expecting more of a funny content. I was thinking about it too, but then यार हुआ नहीं. And मैंने कहा कि जब मैं सोच रही हूँ like you know to make a video on this topic, तो वही करते हैं. तो I hope you guys will understand. I know you all will. तो let's get to the point. तो लेटली मैं अपने सारे सोशल हैंडल्स से दूर थी. लाइक आई वॉज टेकिंग मी टाइम, नॉट आई वॉज वेरी एक्टिव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और एनीवेयर एल्स. I was dealing with my own thoughts and everything, so just wanted a short break. And I guess that break got extended to such an extent that someone declared I'm dead. Isn't that funny? That's sounding so funny. Like it's disturbing yet so funny. तो ज़्यादा बैक स्टोरी इतनी कुछ है नहीं. लाइक ज़्यादा पीछे नहीं जाते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट just happened in front of everyone and in the recent days. So here is this account on Instagram which tagged me and wrote @introvert kid has committed suicide and is no more. Rest in peace. And I was like, Didi, ya bhaiya ji, I can see your stories. I'm able to see your stories. So first of all, then you're fooling around people, spreading the false news. This is no joke. This comes under no joke, no prank. This is extremely horrible, can affect someone's mental health. I've been cracking a joke, and disrespecting someone stands a difference. And spreading false news in such a time where we are facing such a horrible pandemic. We hear about viruses, we hear about actual death happening, we hear about cyclones coming. This is not about me. I'm just not talking about myself, or it has just happened to me. I'm saying it in general for everyone. And when you are here, when you're in this world, know that you are loved. तो उसके बाद ये हुआ कि एंड उसकी स्टोरी डालने की टाइमिंग कह सकते हैं कि लाइक इतनी मैच कर गई सिचुएशन से कि एट दैट टाइम, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट I was at my space. I was not operating my phone. I had some issues with that too. So bunch of people called on my father's number. From them only I got to know about all this, and then logged into my ID, however. So here are some points that I have learned, and some things that आई हैव नोन फ्रॉम दिस दैट शुड बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. पहली बात तो अपने किसी किसी एक नोन का नंबर अपने दोस्तों को या किसी को दे के रखें. मतलब आप अपने पेरेंट्स में से किसी का नंबर या दोनों का ही नंबर आई वुड प्रेफर कि दे के रखें, सो दैट दे कैन contact you whenever in need or something like this happens. After this, when you are open to such platforms like Instagram, Facebook and all of these open platforms, you will get these toxic people around you who will try to put you down, will do anything to disturb your mental health. You have to deal with it however, and so know the right process in your head to handle it. and ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जैसे उन्होंने किया है आप भी वैसा करें. ये वो है और ये आप है. It stands, both of you stands a difference. You get a vibe, talk to that person. But if it is getting so toxic, block it off, report it, and get off with it. And after this, it is difficult to do, but then try to keep yourself calm and handle everything with thoughtful mind. फिर I know sometimes at times we need space, but then talk to at least one person you trust to like assure that yes, you are alive. There is some surety about your existence. And इन सब से परेशान ना हो. And you know that you will get out of it. I have also learned कि एक चीज़ को अगर आप पकड़े रखोगे, that is not gonna change in any way. उस चीज़ को पकड़ के रखना is not a solution. It will not get you anywhere, and ultimately all this has an end. Please do not take this in a negative way. I'm saying it in a very positive way कि ultimately this has an end. So we learn something from everything that we experience and that happens in our life. So yeah, let's keep that thought going. I thought of 3 words that will keep me going. That is opportunities, possibilities, ultimately a happy life. Because eventually this all has an end. That person or me or everyone here is gonna go at the same place after a certain time, if you know what I mean. And so no point holding grudges, negative vibes and all this stuff. So get this all off and stay happy. And also जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. This got me content. मैं कुछ upload कर पा रही हूँ on my YouTube channel. So to that account, thank you so much for this. मैंने इन सब से कुछ सीखा, बहुत कुछ जाना. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली गाइज, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि लाइफ को सीरियसली लो, पर इतना भी सीरियसली मत लो कि आप खुश ना रहें. दैट्स द अल्टीमेट गोल कि आप खुश रहें अपनी लाइफ में. तो ट्रस्ट करना ना छोड़े. देयर आर टॉक्सिक पीपल like these, there are good people as well. जो आपका साथ देंगे हर चीज़ में. दे विल बी देयर फॉर यू. यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड द राइट सर्कल, द राइट कंपनी. तो या आई होप आप इस चीज़ से रिलेट कर पाए हो, मेरी बातों में सेंस लगा हो, एंड जो पॉजिटिव चीज़ें मैंने यहाँ बताई हैं उसे भी कुछ सेंस बना रही हूँ. जस्ट दैट, एंड विल वी मीट नेक्स्ट. लव. Oh my god. I said it.